Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Better Me Project 120 Days of Intentional Living. Grabe, you know what? This is like super, super nice because, well, I'm a techie person, pero apparently, parang kulang ako sa pagiging techie. Pagdating sa FB Live. Anyways, again, hey Ruby, thank you so much. Yan po ang aking magiging guest. Alright? Tomorrow. Ayan. Ayan. I cannot like really... Okay, let me just check. Kung pwede ko siyang, I cannot talaga. No, I cannot talaga. Ang galing. Di ba, masaya naman tayo tomorrow. Alright. Anyways, I just want to do this, no, for today. And I'm super, super glad because I'm showing up again for the Better Me Project. Grabe, can you imagine this? 7 days na. Woohoo! 7 days na lang. So, meaning to say, 114 days to go before we say goodbye to 2024. Grabe, excited na ba kayo? Ha? Sige nga, pakitay. Are you excited para mag-end ng 2024? Kasi, meaning to say, you have, like so far, no, you have achieved more than half of your goals already. Pwede ba? Sige nga, Ruby, you're super excited, no? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, Rubes, how excited are you? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excited, 10 being the most, no? Being super, super excited. How excited are you, to end 2024 kasi you've reached your goals already. Woohoo! 10! Alright? Ayan, kailangan laging excited. Yan. How about you, Josh? Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, no, yung level ng excitement, 10 being the highest, yung level ng excitement mo because so far, you're happy with your goals, you're almost achieving it, or maybe you've achieved it already. Ilan ka? Ayan. Wow! May pa-quotable quote ka na naman, Miss Ruby! Alright. What you think you perceive. Josh, 10 ka rin. Alright. Why is that? Ayan. No, Josh, why is that? Why are you super excited? And of course, like Ruby, she said that, dapat laging excited, no? How about you, Josh? No? And while you're typing, again, everyone, Team Replay, I would like to welcome you in our Better Me Project, 120 Days of Intentional Living. And it's already day 7. Woohoo! And today we're gonna talk about really, really important, which is talaga, after a week, yun ang kailangan natin yun ang kailangan na ginagawa natin. But then again, before we jump in together, please, please don't forget to like and share this episode with someone who needs a little bit of pushing. Who needs a little inspiration. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Somebody's Voice in YouTube, and of course, like Buddy Villa in FB, and Somebody's Voice in IG, and of course, I also have TikTok. All right, and let's do this, so we can continue this journey together. All right, and here, if you're just joining in Team Replay, this is our day 7, and you can always catch up on the previous days, where we covered setting intentions, small wins, gratitude. Ayan, yan yung mga ginawa natin. Alright? Hold on. Woohoo! Alright, day 7 in fairness, right? In fairness. Alright? Let me just, hold on. Ang cute ko lang, di ba? Ang cute ko lang nung umaalis sa camera. Ang cute ko. Dapat lang kasi chill lang naman tayo. Alright? Woohoo! Come on. Let's spread this journey together. Diba? Grabe. Ito yung, ano ba itong Better Me Project? To some of you who's asking, this is basically, journeying of living with intention. Alright? And ito yung, you always set an intention on how you will live your day. And today, ang ganda. Kasi, I don't know with you, but I always start preparing for my day tomorrow, the night before. Yan, hindi yung kung kailang Monday morning, saka ka na mag-isip what's going to happen. No, sa sobrang excited ka, naks, sa sobrang passionate passionate ka with what's going to happen on your next, or the following day, your tomorrow's activity, sineset mo na siya today. Yan. Kasi, importante, meron ka ng foundation para maging okay ka na. Yung hindi ka na aligaga by tomorrow. Alright? And then, of course, like some of you, I've been saying this, you know, buddy, we only have 4 months ago, right? And kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba nating ma-reach yung goals natin? Hey! Kaya pa yan. As long as you're living, you know, we're good. And then, of course, that is why we are doing this, no? 120 days. And again, I always say this, don't dwell on the months or years or weeks, no, that have passed. Focus on the days, weeks, months, all right, and years ahead of you. Woohoo! And if you're ready, can you please type Day 7 in the meeting chat? Go, 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 Day 7. Hey, Day! How are you? Alright. I have achieved one of my New Year's resolution. Really, Josh? For 2024? Really? Alright. And which is to release an original song. Hey! Nako, dapat talaga mag-guest ka ulit sa akin, Joshua. Alright, so that you will be able to render that song. Ang galing. Napapakantayin natin si Joshua and si Jerome. Alright, ng kanilang, wow, yung kanilang original song, original single. And of course, they also sang the song Million Dreams. No? Umiyak ako nun. Hey, Pearl! Woohoo! Yes, you have to be excited with the super version, or better version of you. Ayan. Yabi, na-miss kita today over the weekend. I'm really, really sorry. Yabi, are you back in Pampanga? Kasi I know definitely you served, right? During the Lux retreat. Ayan. Hey, Day, how are you? Where are you? Let me know where you're watching right now. All right. Ana Salano, and of course, Ana, thank you so much for being here again. And again, pwede ba ako mag-vlogging? Again, if you somehow you like my hair. Alright, parang sabi mo, parang ganda naman ang kulay ng hair ni Miss Body. Nako, care of Ana Salano yan. Siya ang aking makeup, ang aking hairstylist. Oh my gosh, for 19 years already. Yan, kaya hindi nagdadry ang hair. Tama ba yan? Tama ba yan, Ana? And of course, like, wala, for a tita like me, for my skincare, I would like to thank, of course, like Miss Ruby Evangelista. Alright, for the Mary Kay products that you have been giving me. And of course, si Yabi, nako. Yabi, do you still do this? No, you still do your editing, right? Your videos, everything, right? You still do that? Nako, may side hustle po si Yabi. Nako, Yabi Eusebio, siya po isa sa mga editors namin, mga servants po namin sa Feast, Bellevue, AM, and he has been doing all of our SDEs. Yan. Tama ba? Tama ba? Yabi, pareho pa rin ba? Yan. Tita, your positivity has helped me, and grabe, land my biggest contract for my photography. Yes, Yabi, can you please type, put in the comment section below how we will get in touch with you. Grabe po yan si Yabi. Ruby, pakilagay rin, you know, how they will be able to get in touch with you. And of course, like Ana Salano. Grabe. Yan yung mga tumutulong sa akin. Alright? Ayan. Yan. Alright. Share lang tayo. Grabe. Yan. Pakilagay naman para, you know what? I'm doing this because you were able to help me. Grabe, Yabi, natulungan mo ako. Ana, natulungan mo ako. Ruby, natulungan mo ako. And of course, like, I want to help you also. Grabe. Kasi, kung natulungan nyo ako, definitely, a lot of people, you know, you'll be able to help other people as well. Ayan. Woohoo! Yabi, please put your link so that people will be able to get in touch with you. No? And of course, ayan, grabe. Wow, Yabi Films! Ang galing-galing naman. Grabe po talaga yung mga how God has given you, you know, that talent. Grabe, grabe, grabe. Yan. Oo naman, let's support each other, right? And of course, like, if you want, if you follow me, I will also follow you. Alright. Tama naman, di ba? Tama. And of course, like, the team replay. And so, what's happening today? Day 7. Oh, let's talk about reflecting and resetting, di ba? And that is how to wrap up our first week of journey. Diba? Gawin na natin yan. So it's time for us to pause and reflect, our journey, our 120 days, no? Importante mga kapatid na to take time to reflect on your progress, especially in a transformation journey like this, no? Reflecting helps us appreciate the small steps we've taken. But of course, like resetting gives us a chance to somehow, diba, realign, no, with our goals and make any necessary adjustments, no? So, paano ba mag-reflect and reset? Ayan! Sige nga, pakitype nga, reflect and reset. Kasi importante po yan. Go, go, go! Please type, reflect and reset. Alright? How do we do that? No? Number one, one thing that you really have to do is, as you reflect, alright, kapatid, celebrate your wins. Yan. Lagi siyang kasama sa akin, ano? Really, we need to celebrate your wins, no? And again, sanay na po kayo sa akin. This is like how to celebrate, no, your wins and like really give yourself a pat on the back. Okay? I don't know. I cannot see you, but hopefully you'll be able to do this with me. What I want you to do is extend your arms. Ayan. Cross mo yan. And sabihin mo sa sarili mo, good job. Good job, myself. Good job. Kapatid, sino pa bang mag-good job sa'yo? Alright, sino pa bang who will be cheering for you and supporting you more? Diba? Siyempre, ikaw yun. Alright, so please celebrate your wins. Alright, be your own cheerleaders. Alright, bonus na lang actually. If there will be people who will be recognizing you, bonus na lang yun. What's important is that you recognize the things that you have done for yourself. And as you do that, kung ikaw, when you recognize it and then you give yourself a pat on the back, definitely, mas lalo siyang masaya. Alright, kasi na-acknowledge mo yung mga wins mo, yung mga talent mo, the things that you've done for the week. Diba? Alright? So, number one, celebrate your wins. Look back on the past few days, no? That you've done, whether small wins or even siguro yung mga kapalpakan natin. Still, no, celebrate it. No matter how small they may seem, dapat sineselebrate natin. Alright? So, kapatid, pakisulat naman in the meeting chat, what small wins did you encounter this week? Sige nga! Alright? Any small wins? Meron bang mga positive changes that have you noticed in yourself? This is your time to acknowledge the progress you've made. Yan! Go, go, go! Can you please type it in the meeting chat? Ano yung mga progress? Yung mga things that made you a lot better compared to last week, right? So, game. Can you please type it in the meeting chat? Ayan. Go! Yan. Ano yan? Okay, go. Miss Ruby, ayan. Ano yung mga naging happy ka? Mga small wins mo. Alright. Paid all bills tapos maraming extra pang natin. Ayan, ang galing. Ang galing, diba? Yeah, be happy si Lord niyan. Alright, because you were able to recognize it and appreciate it. No? A grateful heart really is a magnet for all miracles, right? Ayan. How about the others? Miss Pearl, ikaw, ano yung mga wins mo? Miss Anna, ano yung mga wins mo? Ruby, Joshua, Jerome, ayan. Game. And of course, like our team replay. Please. Ako, if I may share, oh my gosh, I noticed that I have been being true to my word, all those me showing up for all of you guys, oh my gosh, kasi mukha ba akong laging excited. There are times that I feel like parang, huwag na lang akong mag-live, wala namang nanonood, yung mga ganong klase. But then I realized that God has given me this talent. God has given me this kapal ng mukha. And I read this, from one of my idols, somebody in need is waiting on the other side of your obedience. Somebody in need is waiting on the other side of your obedience. Us showing up for our friends means that you are being obedient to God for the talent that God has given you. Diba? So when you say yes, when you show up for someone, oh, alam mo yun, you're being obedient to God. And ang sarap lang when you show up for someone and you will be surprised. Grabe pala yung impact na nagawa mo sa kanila. Oh, wow. So, let's talk about celebrating with, which is number one. Joshua said, being safe from storm. Woo! Wow. And of course, like landed another sa Lux Retreat. And then may padating na agad. Grabe, diba? When you keep on serving the Lord, ay nako, sinasabi ni Lord sa inyo, magaling kang bata ka, bibigyan, lalo kitang ibe-bless. Ang galing, congratulations. And of course, like Ruby, wow, 1% consistent sa mga activities sa project. Kaya, may maka-close next month. Woohoo! Ang galing-galing lang naman talaga ni Lord sa ating lahat. Diba? So, thank you. Thank you. You really have to celebrate your wins. Yay! Very good, very good. So, that is number one. And then, of course, like number two, sabi natin, di ba, reflect and reset. Now that you've celebrated your wins, kailangan din natin ma-identify yung areas for our growth. So, number two is identify areas for growth. No journey is perfect. You know what, this is my take 2 ng live kasi napalpak ako talaga kanina. So, it's okay lang. You know, I know that I'm in a safe place. I know that I'm not perfect. So, that is like me still showing up, right? I'm gonna get better again next time. Alright? Pero, it's important for you, no? So, that is why, I'm so sorry. That is why you have to identify the areas for you, no? For growth, no? Ask yourself, where you struggled or what didn't go as planned, right? The reflection will help you adjust and move forward and become more effective in the things that you do. Ayan. So, okay lang ba? Safe place naman ito. Alright. What is that area that you feel that you need to grow pa? Yeah. Sige na. Can you please type it in the meeting chat? Areas for growth. Identify areas for growth. Alright? Yun ang importante natin malaman kasi. Kasi pag that is like really part of become a better version of yourself, right? When you identify, I think I'm still not perfect here. I'm still not a master of this certain skill or craft or knowledge. Identify mo yan. And that is something that you will work on. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda lang. Kasi if you will ignore it, if you will not acknowledge it, hindi ka mag-grow. Diba? Ayan. For me, what is that? Something that I need to work on is creating a perfect script for my Better Me project. Kasi alam mo, sometimes ako go with the flow. I know that I have an outline, but I think, if I really want to become concrete, yung mga sasabihin ko, ay nako, more structured, I need to prepare a script. Wala akong script Talagang grabe. Which is like, I think, that is something that, if I want to become better, right, mas magiging structured kasi yan. Alright, how about you? Alright? Ooh. Alright? No. And of course, like siyempre sabi ni Yabby, making the right financial decision. Amen. Being patient with family, patient with mastering my craft. Yup. That is so true. Alright? We have to give ourselves permission of imperfect. Alam mo yun? We have to give ourselves permission to grow. Alright? Hindi tayo ganun pa ka-perfect. But, if you keep on doing it, oh my goodness, gagaling ka. It takes 10,000 hours for you to master a craft. Alright? Yun ang sinasabi nila. Wala pang script yan. Sinabi mo, lahat from the heart. Yes, yes, yes. Ang galing lang talaga ni Lord. How about you, Ruby? Ano pa yung mga areas for growth mo? Alright? And of course, like, I want to recognize lang, acknowledge yung sinabi ni Miss Anna. Wins ko, ma'am, siguro yung mga tao na, naiyak naman ako, nakapaligid sa akin. Sobrang blessed po ako. At isa ka na doon. Amen. Amen. Naiiyak lang ako. Pagka ganon, yung parang, pag meron nakaka-recognize at saka nagtutulungan, that is something that I really, really like. Ito pa pala, one area for growth ko is patience. If you work with me, especially in production, at Peace Bellevue AM, oh my God, I have a tendency to like really be impatient. Ganun siguro sa, talaga sa prod now na And that is an area for me that I need to grow. Alright? Hindi naman lahat ng bagay now na, di ba? So, yun lang. Be able to pause, alright? Pause muna before I open my mouth. Kasi sometimes, really, may pagkamasweet, I'm just like being a tita. Alright? So, parang, that is something that I need to work on. Kasi inggit ako sa ibang tao, napaka-patient. For example, si Brother Arun, oh my goodness, director yan. Yeah. Main speaker namin yan. But you know what? He's so cool. He knows, no? He feels and he sees, he experience all of our kapalpakan. But alam mo, chill lang siya. Cool lang siya. Ang galing. Yun yung mga gusto ko. Alright? Na pagiging patient. Alright? And ito si Ruby, sabi niya, time management pa rin. Oo. Prioritizing what's important over what is not important, right? Hirap ako pag lahat important. Oo nga. Oo nga. Ganun yun, no? So, but then, Ruby, can I just like share something? Alright? There's no such thing as time management. Alright? Did you know that? There's no such thing as time management because, again, we cannot manage time. Alam niyo, we cannot manage time. We cannot control time. We cannot stop time. We cannot even pause time. So, sinasabi nila talaga, we cannot manage time. So, there's a better way of saying it. No, it's not time management, but self-management. You manage the decisions that you make with regard to your time. Right? Because you cannot like really manage time. Alright? So, manage the decisions that you make. So, again, tama yung sinabi mo, no? You need to prioritize. You need to know what is really your priorities, and that is you managing the decision that you make. Yay! So, from now on, don't call it time management, but self-management. Ayan. Yun yung aking napag-aralan. Alright? Yan. Woohoo! Alright. Oo nga la, self-management. Uy, sabi ni Miss Pearl, need to focus more on giving myself a break. Amen. That is why for today, really, Sunday is like really a break time, a reflection time. Alright? You really need time for yourself. O yan. Actually, may I add pa? Ruby, there are two choices, no? Either you call it self-management or, can I add pa one more? Okay, di ba? You manage the decision that you make with regard to your time, right? What will be your priorities? Another option is that call it self-leadership. You lead yourself. You don't allow, nako Ruby, nakikinig ka ba? You don't allow K-drama, Netflix to lead your life. You lead yourself. Ayan. So mga ganun, you don't allow, Shopee, Lazada, to lead your life. Since your priority is like to be financially free and really save money, you will lead yourself. Don't allow others to lead your life. Don't allow Netflix, Shopee, which is 99 tomorrow. Diba? Wala. Before you even spend money, sabi nila, pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Alright? So, yun lang po ang ating, ang sermon ni Tita Buddy. Aha! Self-leadership, my gosh! More motivation. Oo, maging boss ka sa sarili mo, right? Don't allow others to lead your life. Amen! Amen! Alright. So that is like, again, number 1 is that celebrate small wins. Number 2 is identify areas for growth. Now, ayan na. Buddy, ano yung pang number 3? Ito na. Di ba nag-reflect ka na? Nag-reset ka na? Now, be ready. No, part of your reset is setting intention for next week, which meaning tomorrow, right? Set your intention based on what you've learned and decide, based on what you've learned, you need to decide also what you want to focus on moving forward. So, for tomorrow, diba, week 2 na natin, what will be your intention? What will be your focus? Alright? Again, there are like so many areas in our lives, right? There's so many areas in our life. So, we have financial, we have health, we have faith, we have our self, right? Ano pa ba? Family, relationship, work, ang dami, di ba? Ang dami. So, sobrang dami. Ma-overwhelm ka. So, focus on, what is it that you want to work on for next week? Alright? And, part na rin dyan siguro yung what we've learned, for this week, for Better Me. Would Would you like to strengthen your morning routine? Yan. Would you practice more gratitude? Yan. Kasi di ba it's so easy for us to say, no, I'm grateful. Pero teka, how consistent are you? Di ba? So yung duration, no? Like, is it like all the time? Most of the time? Not all the time. Di ba? Yung ganon, yung duration mo, yung pagiging grateful mo. Alright? And of course, like for example, setting clear goals. Would you like to focus on that one? Alright? And, kasama rin ba dyan yung celebrating yung wins mo? Yung mga ganon. So that is whatever it is, you have to set that intention. And kapatid, before we sleep tonight, take that moment to reset and prepare for your week 2. Alright? So again, take a few moments to reflect on your journey, celebrate your wins, and of course, like identify where you can grow and set that powerful intention for this week. So, if I may get this, alright? So again, ito na naman tayo sa ating journal. Alright. So day 7 is reflect and reset. And then you put here your MIT. My intention for today. Which is like for tomorrow, right? For today. Will you, alright? I will focus more on, for example, lang being grateful. All the time? Most of the time? Ganon. Kailangan kasi yung duration. Kasi ginagawa na natin eh. Will you really be consistent? Alright? And of course, and then after your MIT, number 1, keys, to reflect and reset is that celebrating your win. What is it that you will celebrate? Diba? Acknowledge that. And of course, like number 2 is areas for growth. And then, of course, like number 3 is that your intention for starting tomorrow. Ayan, diba? You have to put that in your journal. Kapatid, I'm really, really excited because once I'm done with this template, I'm gonna share it to all of you. I'm gonna share. Ito yung major gift ko sa inyo. Pag-desire nyo naman, magawa ko tong book na to, bibigay ko sa inyo before December para magawa natin yung ating mini journal. Alright? Woohoo! Are we good? Are we good? MIT, my intention for today. Diba? Alright, so I hope that I was able to inspire you, dear friends, kapatid, kabody. Alright, and let us really, be happy and be excited for our journey. Alright? Again, mga kapatid, give yourself permission of imperfect. Hindi ka magiging perfect talaga, but give yourself permission to be better. Ayan. Laging ganun, Laging ganun tayong lahat. Sige nga, very quick lang, would you like to write down what is it, like your top of mind lang, what will be your intention for starting tomorrow? Alright? Yan. Ako, again, like really being consistent, with being grateful. And then, of course, like number 2 is like really for showing up. I really need to be consistent with showing up. Alright? Yun. And, being patient. I also want that. Ang dami kong gusto, But really focus on what is in your priority. Okay? What is your priority for the week? Importante yan. Now, can I, kasi, may I just add something? Because I was talking to Sis Mensch San Agustin. I saw her, at the feast kaninang morning. And she was telling me na, Buddy, ang hirap ako sa lesson natin yesterday, which is the morning routine. And I said, why? Kasi night shift ako. Alright. So, whatever it is, whether it's a morning routine or it's a evening routine for you, whatever it is, you can always adjust. You need to adjust. And may I just share one more tip with regards to routine, an evening routine that I have been doing, and that is setting an alarm. Di ba, we set an alarm for waking up, right? Kapatid, let's also set an alarm for sleeping. Kasi sometimes we get so focused with so many things, nalilimutan natin na it's time already to sleep. Alright? So may I just suggest, one additional tip for you today is that to set an alarm for sleeping. Yan. Importante po iyon. Meron tayong sineset na alarm. Alright? Woohoo! And I guess that's it for today. Alright? I'm just like super, super happy that all of you are here. Team Replay, don't forget, that I'm just like happy that you're here. Don't forget again to work on your journal because that is really, really important. And again, this journey is about progress, not perfection, and we can do this. All right, we can do this. We need to work on being better every day. All right? Woohoo! Ayan. Alarm for sleeping talaga. Bawal na talaga magpuyat. Oo, oo po talaga, Sir Yabi. Alright, Bro Yabi, importante talaga yung alarm for sleeping. Alright? Woohoo! And again, I'm just like really, really happy that all of you are here. And thank you for showing up for me because, lalo talaga akong ginaganahan to show up for you as well. Alright, I'll see you again tomorrow, 8 o'clock for our Better Me Project. Woo! Start na tayo ng week 2. Again, thank you everyone. And please, don't forget to be there for the people and family that you love. Show up for them. Amen. Woohoo! Love you guys! Happy birthday, Mama Mary! Thank you, Mama Mary, for this wonderful day. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Alright, bye! See you, everyone! See you!